If this is your first time buying a home, the process can seem pretty daunting. In this video, I'm going to go over 5 steps to help you on your path to home ownership. If we haven't met already, my name is Larissa Mayfield, and I am a top producing realtor that specializes in helping clients buy and sell country property in the beautiful Willamette Valley. The first thing you need to do is create a budget. You need to know how much you can spend on a monthly basis for a home. If you've gone online to any of the payment calculation sites, one thing to keep in mind is that a lot of them are just calculating the principal and interest on your home. You also need to take into account how much insurance and taxes will cost you every year for that home. These two items will adjust yearly and change your monthly payment with the appreciation of your home. Once you have a budget, it's a good idea to pull a copy of your credit report. I will place a link in the comments below. That way you can get your free copy. As a consumer, you are allowed one report per year. It's a great idea to take a look at this just in case there's anything you might have missed on your credit. Things that I commonly see come up for clients is when they have moved to a different city and the utilities they left behind had a $50 fee possibly left over. When that happens, it's easily missed and ends up in collections and on your credit report. So ideally, if those items can be caught before you apply for a mortgage loan and fixed, it will help the process go much smoother. Now that you've had a chance to put together your budget and look at your credit, you'll want to find a good real estate agent like myself that is local to the area you are wanting to move to. The reason you want to find an agent first is they can help guide you to a great lender that they work with one-on-one that is local and will be able to give you personalized service compared to a larger online lender. Once you get lined up with a lender, they will get you pre-approved for your home loan. They will need copies of your financial information as well as go over your budget on what you are looking to spend on a home. The lender will then give you an outline of the costs involved to purchase a home and answer any questions you may have. Once you have a pre-approval in hand, you are ready to shop for a home. I will then help guide you through that process by going over your must-haves in a home within your budget. From there, I will take the time to schedule viewings of different homes that meet your criteria. Once you find a home that you love, I will write up the contract for you to make an offer on that home. Once the contract is accepted, then you will move into the inspection portion of your contract. This is where you have time to have the home inspected to make sure there is not anything detrimentally wrong with the property and that you have researched the county or city requirements to make sure that you can use the property how you intend to use it. Once you're past the inspection period, your lender will order an appraisal on the house. The appraisal ensures your property is worth the price you are prepared to pay for it. Once the appraisal comes back at market value, your home loan will be sent to final underwriting, where all your financials and the value of the home will be reviewed. Make sure that you do not add any additional items to your credit or switch jobs during your transaction. Doing so could delay your closing or even cause you to no longer qualify for the home. Once your loan has been approved through final underwriting and everything is okay, then you will be scheduled to close. At that point, you will be contacted by escrow to schedule a time for you to come in and sign your loan documents. Once you've signed your documents, they will be sent back to the lender to fund your loan. This typically takes about 2 to 3 business days from the day you signed that your deed will be recorded in your name and you will officially be a homeowner. Now that you have learned a little bit more about the home buying process, you may be interested in my next video where I cover the costs involved with buying your first home. If you'd like to get in touch with me to learn more about the Willamette Valley region and to kick off your home search, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. I will link all my social media in the show notes, or you can connect with me through my website at larissamayfieldre.com.